Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with a quick DIY of an ugly CVS binder to make it cute so you can use it. And I know I've been gone, but school has been super busy, and I'm actually going to use this for grad school. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm just showing you here the binder, which is super cheap. You can get it at CVS, the dollar store, whatever, but it's a little bit of an eyesore. You know, you can make it cute so that while you're in class you look at something beautiful. I have this cardstock paper that is from Michael's. It's a coastal theme, so it's got a lot of cool patterns. I really liked it. It was really pretty. I'm just flipping through that, and I'm using one of the cardstocks from there, but this is actually like a fabric material. It's not like very sturdy, as you can see, but it's got a nice pattern, so I chose that. First thing I'm going to do is just measure the front. I'm going to do the front, the back, and that little edge on the side. So first thing I'm going to do is measure. I did the same thing for the back. I measured and then I slid it in the back. So putting it into the binder was actually a little bit difficult, but I did it. And you could just measure a little less so that it could all fit in there. That was the best. That's the best thing to do. Lastly, I used this boardwalk cardstock. It's actually very cute and appropriate, as it's the Jersey Shore is a very famous place where I live. So I used that for that little edge on the side and that tiny little space where those bolts are. So this is the end product. I hope you guys liked this video. I will be trying to post on a regular schedule, and just if you guys have any requests, just let me know. I will still be doing DIYs on Word and everything. So like, subscribe, comment. Please let me know if you guys like this or not. And I'm sorry for my monotone voice, but that's just the way I am. I will be using this binder for grad school. So, see you guys later. Bye.